When we think of people affected by leprosy and other disabilities, we think of lack of opportunities, limited career choices. But why so? Don't these people have their aspirations? Don't they want to pursue their career choices? So why shouldn't we help them? At the Leprosy Mission Trust India, we do exactly this. We try to link the career choices and aspirations of people affected by leprosy and other disabilities to the market needs.
The Leprosy Mission Trust India works not only with people affected by leprosy and other neglected tropical diseases, but also with people with disabilities and marginalized communities. In its journey of 144 years, it has touched millions of lives through its diverse programs in the areas of healthcare, sustainable livelihood, community empowerment, advocacy, research and training, which are being implemented through 14 hospitals, 6 vocational training centers, 5 residential care homes for the elderly affected by leprosy, 8 community empowerment projects, and a research lab spread across 10 states in India.
We partner with different ministries like the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Ministry of Law. These help us to advocate for issues pertaining to people affected by leprosy and bring about changes in the policy. We also do research. This includes both clinical and social research. It also provides answers to many of the unanswered questions. As an organization, we believe that leprosy expertise is very important, and we also build expertise both within our institution and also for other organizations.
This is District Champa in Chhattisgarh. It is one of the many remote pockets across India that is leprosy endemic. 25-year-old Ashish Nishad was in the 9th standard when he was affected by leprosy. For a young boy who was full of life, this came as a stumbling block.
मन में मतलब ऐसा फीलिंग लगता था कि मतलब अब कि अब एक हाथ मेरा मतलब कमज़ोर ही पड़ गया है, अब शायद ही मैं काम कर पाऊँगा करके, कि कोई भी काम में मतलब ऐसे कोई सहयोग देगा कि नहीं देगा करके मतलब सोचना पड़ता था एक तरह से.
It was at this time that Ashish heard about the Vocational Training Center, or VTC, run by the Leprosy Mission Trust India, and enrolled himself in it. The Leprosy Mission Trust India's VTCs across India are well known in the job market for imparting quality training in government-recognized and certified courses.
The workstations at our vocational training centers are disability friendly. Specialized aids and adaptations are devised so that people affected by leprosy and other disabilities can do the trainings as any other non-disabled person. This ensures that they too can compete in the job market. No compromise on the skills training on account of disability.
आशीष जो है उसको कुष्ठ रोग से प्रभावित था, लेप्रोसी हो गया था, तो उसके लेफ्ट हैंड में शून्यपन था, तो उसके लिए ऐसे एक नर्म चीज़ का करके उसको मॉडिफाई हम लोग टूल्स में किए थे, जिससे उसे प्रैक्टिकल में हम लोग बताते थे.
Ashish is today well employed as a mechanic with Mahindra & Mahindra, earning a respectable livelihood, and his skill set is unmatched. This is evidence of the specialized skill training imparted by the VTCs.
आशीष यहाँ पर मिनिमम 14-15 महीने से यहाँ पर जॉब कर रहा है. यहाँ पर हमारे प्लांट में, हमारे अंडर पे बहुत ही अच्छा काम है उसका. इस प्रकार से ये कि एडवांस में किसी वर्क को यानी पकड़ना कि इसमें ये भी फॉल्ट आगे जाके आ सकता है, तो उसको यानी टोटली यानी क्लियर करना। यानी वो बंदा ऐसा था कि ऐसा हेल्पर आया था, और आज की डेट में हेल्पर से बहुत ही ऊपर उसको आज की डेट में एक हेल्पर चाहिए। मैं ये कहूँगा कि एक सीनियर हो चुका है वो।
The Leprosy Mission Trust India, through its VTCs, supports job placements to over 1,000 students every year. And this is a major breakthrough in rural and semi-urban areas where employment has always been a challenge. This has been made possible by the NGO's employer and community